everyone! Welcome back to my channel! 皆さんこんにちは。日本語教師 YouTuber のかずえです。Today's topic is How do we say I in Japanese? In my previous video, I talked about how do we say you in Japanese. So today's lesson is how do we say I, watashi, in Japanese. I already said many people know that watashi is I. ね、Yes, it is. And watashi is the most common and most widely used and appropriate way to say I in Japanese. You can use any situation and used by anyone, by kids, by adult or men or women. Anyone can use watashi to describe oneself. ね。So that is the most common word, but depending on the situation or depending on the how do we describe oneself as a identity, we have several different words for I. ね。I think some of you know 俺 right? So 俺 is I, mainly used by a man who think himself cool. That's my impression. Of course it depends, but it's more like an identity. You think, if you are the guy, think oneself, have confidence and cool. I think that's a tendency that the guy use 俺. But please remember, 俺 is not appropriate in the business occasion. So please don't use 俺 to the customers. ね。俺 is only used amongst the friends or to someone who is very close. ね。はい。ね。Another I word is 僕。ね。僕 is also mainly used by the man. If you use 僕, my impression to you is more gentle. ね。なんだろう、more soft and mild. ね。So compared to 俺。ね。俺 is more like confidence and sometimes sounds a little bit arrogant, but 僕 is more gentle. Actually, I prefer the guy who say oneself 僕. And 僕 can be used in their business occasion, but 私 is more appropriate. ね。はい。And I know that some girls use 僕 as well, but it's more like, boyish or some in the lyrics or the poem. Impressions is a little bit different. ね。僕 sounds more mild and gentle, and 俺 is more like confidence, and 私 is standard and more general. ね。はい。Then, and these three are the main word for I. And actually, there's another word. Actually, there are more, but another word commonly used is jibun. So 自分 means oneself, but 自分 can be used as I. ね。So 自分はシャイだから、自分は元気です。自分は大丈夫です。ね。Instead of 私は大丈夫です。ね。That is also commonly used in any occasion, in the business or any situation. でも、私 is more standard かな。でも、but 自分 is also be used a lot. The interesting fact is that in Kanto area and the Kansai area, both use 自分 for oneself, but in Kansai area, 自分 can be used you. ね。なんか、it's very complicated, isn't it? So, to describe you in Japanese, as I say in the previous video, use the person's name. So, if you are talking to 佐藤さん, so 佐藤さんはどう思いますか? What do you think, 佐藤さん? ね。But we sometimes say, 自分はどう思いますか? So, what do you think? ね。So, quite complicated. But the Kanto area hardly use the 自分 to you. The word you. ね。So, 自分はシャイだけど、自分はどう? Quite complicated. But, 自分 can be I or you. In Kansai area. ね。 そう、自分も自分という言葉もよく使います。それと、What is the difference between 佐藤さんは or 自分は同じですね。大体同じです。But the maybe slight difference is in the kind of なんだろう、more heated up discussion. Then we say 自分は。But in the more like a decent situation, 佐藤さんはになりますね。でも、it's not, not always the cases. So, so just remember, 自分 can be used oneself, I, 私, and 自分 to you in Kansai area. Okay? And actually there are many variety of word for 私, I in Japanese, such as わい. わい can be used by the guy in the Shikoku, the Tokushima area. And some people say 俺様. So 俺 and 俺様. Sama is the actually the suffix for the kind of respect word to someone else. But even the sama usually used for the customer or someone who should raise up, but used for oneself. That means someone crazy, someone who think himself too confident, or someone who think oneself king. So, 俺様. It's very funny word. Only used in the kind of anime situation or just as a joke. ね。とか、オラとか。オラって言ったら、the impression is more like a country boy or country guy. ね。オラ。とか、足とか、拙者。拙者って言ったら、なんか侍タイム、kind of very old sound。ね。小生。これは、言葉、it's not a colloquial word, but in the email, in the business occasion, 小生は means I. 私は。あと、我が輩は。Do you know the book, very famous book? 我が輩は猫である。I'm a cat. But it's very, very popular, very classic book in Japan. So, 我が輩 means I. But it's very old word, so we don't use. So, as a summary, use 私 for I. ね? That is no mistake. It's generally widely used. So, if you don't want to make any mistakes, just use 私. ね? And as you might hear, the 俺 ね? by the guy, and 僕 sounds more mild, and 自分 could be oneself or could be someone else in Kansai. And atai, it sounds more like a Yankee girl. Anyway, it depends, It could be the dialect, it could be used in the different part of Japan, used differently, but 私 is the general one, ね? As you know. はい。Okay, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed. And if you like this video, please sum up and please share this video with your social media, SNS, if you like. And if you like, please follow my Facebook page as well. And also I do the Patreon, so please join my Patreon. And again, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to subscribe my channel. よかったらチャンネル登録もお願いします。Okay, thank you so much and see you on the next video. じゃあまたね。バイバイ。